Welcome back to Marlette's Kitchen. In my previous video, I showed you how I cleaned the interior of my oven using the pyrolytic or self-cleaning process. This time, I will share you how to clean the wire guides and rack without breaking a sweat. Here you can see that these guides are so dirty. Now, all you have to do is line up some cling wrap into a deep pan big enough to place them. Take your oven cleaner, whichever you prefer. Mine is this Metal Gold that I use to clean our barbecue grill and hood. Then spray into the cling wrap and place the guide in there. Spray again the top part of the guide and make sure to rub them into the dirtiest part. Cover with cling wrap and seal the sides. The same process applies to the other wire guide and rack. Now here is where you need to be patient. You have to keep them like that overnight for the cleaner to do its magic. Then the next day, you will notice how the dirt and grease has leaked into the deep pan. Remove the cling wrap and put them into another container where you can scrub some of the dirt that didn't get cleaned. Rinse them under running water and dry with kitchen or paper towel. You will see how nice and clean they are after. I hope you guys give it a try and let me know in the comments if you did or if you have other ways of cleaning them. See you in the next video.